Alright guys, so I've picked up a 2020 Yamaha Wolverine X4. Had it about 5 days now. We're running through the break-in period, and I just wanted to point out one thing I found so far. It's a small thing that I'm going to take care of, but I just want to point it out. On both the driver and passenger side, the middle tie bar for the roll cage hits, or the seat contacts it right here on this tab. And I don't know, it's right here, I don't know if you can see in there how close that is. It's actually, it's actually touching it. And so my first thought was I was going to grab a pair of pliers, channel locks, and bend this tab down. And I thought, well, Yamaha probably put that there for a reason. There's probably an accessory that will mount to it. Maybe something I want to use in the future, or if when we sell it, somebody else is going to use. So I think what I'm going to do is just clearance, just draw off that corner there. The passenger seat is fixed, bolted in. The driver's seat's adjustable, and that's actually how I noticed it. And walk around to the driver's side. I noticed it when I was adjusting the driver's seat, and sliding the driver's seat back and forth. Right now there's plenty of clearance. If you look there, it's already wearing the paint off this tab, and it's wearing the paint off the bar underneath. But if you adjust the seat back, find my seat adjustment here, it contacts it. And so it's starting to shave the finish off that bar as well. So knowing how side-by-sides are used, we just know there's going to be rust there. So I'm going to clearance both of these off just a little bit on the ends. Alright, to remove the passenger seat, which if you've had a Wolverine for any time, I'm sure you've done that. To remove the passenger seat, just grab at the front, lift up, pull the cushion out of the way, and then you've got four 12mm bolts that hold the seat down. So we're going to take those out, and that'll actually lift the entire seat frame and this shoulder bolster out of the way. And before you remove that, make sure you pull the seat belt down and under. Otherwise, you're going to look like an idiot like me and catch that on the seat belt when you're trying to pull it out. Okay, so I've marked that with a pencil. I believe you can see that here. And it's about a 1/4 inch, maybe 5/16 of an inch clearance or material that I'm going to be removing there. It's probably going to take me 2 cuts with a cutoff wheel, one going this way and one coming this way, and then I'll round it off with a Dremel tool or a die grinder to smooth it off, and then we'll touch it up with a little paint. Alright, no turning back. Clean that up a little bit with the grinder. Okay, there it is afterwards. I'm pretty happy with that. It gives enough material if I did need to use that for something that's the hole's still there and we can still bolt to it. I'm going to put the chair back in and check my clearances. If it's good, I'm going to paint it, and then we'll put that chair back in permanently. And that turned out really nice. I'm happy with it. Let's put a glove back there. You can see I got how much clearance I have now. That is much better. Okay, same thing as on the passenger side. We're on the driver's side now. I've marked that tab, and we're going to do our cutting on this side. And when I put the seat back in, the clearance was very close. And this is with the seat all the way back. I don't know if it's actually supposed to go this far back, but you can see I've got a little clearance there. Get a piece of rubber, like car molding, or hard plastic car molding, and put it over that piece of metal there, so that if it does touch, it won't actually take the paint off again. Alright, I got everything back together. Ready to go for our first real ride tomorrow. But clearance on this side is good. Clearance on this side is real good on the passenger side. And this seat's tight back against the center support bar. So that means on the driver's side, that seat should be able to go all the way back. I have it up one notch right now because I want to let that paint finish drying. But again, it's really close if I put it to the back. I'm pretty sure it will hit during riding. And so I'm going to put a piece of molding, like door molding, door guard for a car in there to prevent that from hitting when I do have it all the way back. So appreciate you guys watching. This isn't really a how-to video. It's just more of something I noticed as I was driving to do the break-in of this machine, and I wanted to go ahead and take care of it before it started rusting, and then I'd have all the rust to clean up before I could actually paint it, and just almost preventive maintenance. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Well, I guess we're done. Goodness. See if we can hold that steady right there. This is not going to play nice with me now. It was working great earlier.
He is doing it. He is.
Come on in. What's that?